we've always found it to be correctable. It is what it is. But hey,
This is just to shut up noisemakers. That's why it was created.
and at the end of the day, if they feel that they can voice their feelings and thoughts, fine.
They've tried. I've been called racist and various other things, but
Yeah, so I'm like, you're a danger to others. Okay, let's get you out of here. Yeah. Yeah. But then you're like, yeah.
That's really smart.
Good, good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good. It's great. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Policeman. Mr. and Mrs. Policeman.
Do what? Oh, yeah. Let me sit on the little bleachers.
Just the three of you, right?
This one is done by GCSM and by this.
Who's camera? Okay.
Oh, mine.
I'm wearing sunglasses.
1, 2. There you go.
That brings down more complicated.
That's great. Well, my son